Get ready to experience the taste of fall with our delectable pumpkin spice cheesecake bites made with these 5 simple ingredients. Into the mixing bowl, I'm going to add in my spice cake mix. I'm going to put this dry cake mix into the microwave for 30 seconds. After the first 30 seconds, I'm going to stir it and then put it back in the microwave for another 30. The spice cake mix has been heated in the microwave for 60 seconds. So while this cools, I'm just going to set that aside and bring in a medium-sized bowl. Into the medium bowl, I'm going to add in 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree and 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to blend these together using a hand mixer. Now that the pumpkin cheesecake mixture is mixed together, we're going to add in the cooled spice cake mix. We're going to mix these together until they are all combined. We're going to go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowls down just a little bit more. Make sure that I got all those ingredients combined. The pumpkin cheesecake mixture is very sticky, so what we're going to do is cover the bowl with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours so it can set up. The pumpkin spice cheesecake has been in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So I have a baking tray that is lined with parchment paper, and I'm using a small cookie scoop. Just going to form nice little balls. Put them on the parchment paper. All right, I have all the pumpkin spice cheesecake bites rolled up. I'm going to set those over a little bit. I have 12 ounces of white almond bark that I have melted in the microwave using 30-second intervals until it was nice and smooth. So I'm going to dip the cheesecake bites into those. While those are wet, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the pumpkin pie spice on top of these.